Hey, Base Lightning here, and I am at the car show, registered, checked in, and I'm just going to give you a little footage before the music starts. I don't want any copyright issues. Oh, good. There's something loud over there. How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
I hear something loud. I gotta go look. Great. Race car. Nice.
Hello, how are you?
Hey, pretty good. Just getting some video footage here before the music starts and everything.
It's gonna be a good show.
Oh yeah, very awesome.
I love your challenges. Thank you for all the support.
Oh yeah, thank you. Hi.
That's what I need to cruise around town in.
Yeah, there you go. Be a good grocery getter.
Oh, I got people out.
Got the lineup started here. The muscle is here. Oh my goodness. I'll slow down here. There's a Hellcat. There's a red eye I got some pictures of back near my scat pack. There's another Hellcat. That's a beauty. Oh, there's a 392 wide body stick. Nice. Oh, there's a 50th anniversary scat pack. That's beautiful. A nice Mopar blue.
Go grab another Red Bull.
There's a Hellcat Charger. It's nice. It's a nice vet. It's a Stingray coupe. Well, that's nice. That is sick. I'm not really a big vet person, but that is nice. There's a Stang. Nice, another nice vet here. Here's a TA. I really like these TAs. That's a manual as well. There's another TA. Yellow. Has some tinting, so you can't really see in. It's nice. Here's a GT 350. All right. Well, they're going to start bringing more cars over, so I just wanted to get you all some footage. There's a Supra.